If you could only own 3 guns, these are the ones that every man should have. And if you're missing one,
you should be ashamed of yourself. The idea.
Let's talk about it. What is up, guys? Modern Protector here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. Gun number 1, the concealed carry pistol. Now, this is the gun that you have on you, the one that you actually carry every day. If you're serious about protecting your family, then this is the one that you're likely going to have on you if you're in a defensive encounter in public. Look for something that's reliable, compact enough that you're actually going to carry it, ideally chambered in 9mm. And make sure that you have a solid holster option. That's why I carry Eclipse Holsters, the sponsor of today's video. They're custom molded, well designed, and built for everyday carry. They make holsters for all kinds of different guns, and they have all kinds of awesome custom print options. If you need a good holster, then check them out at eclipseholsters.com and thank them for sponsoring today's video. The shotgun. A shotgun is a powerful tool for home defense. It's simple to use, especially a pump, and it hits like a freight train with buckshot. And with a different barrel, it can double as a hunting gun for small game like turkey or squirrel, or if you just want to shoot clays. The downsides, the recoil is no joke. It can be a challenging one to tame, and it's not a gun that you want to count on unless you actually have some training and practice with it. But if you put in the reps, it can be an incredible tool. Number 3 is the classic AR-15. This is the most versatile option.
That's great.
You can set it up for home defense, hobby shooting, or the apocalypse if you're into that sort of thing. It's light on recoil, it's pretty easy to shoot, and ammo and parts are wildly available if you want to trick it out. I'm pretty cheap, so it's pretty simple. You also avoid the recoil of a shotgun while gaining accuracy and control at a greater distance than you can get with a handgun. If you're only going to have one rifle, this is it. So here's the deal. This isn't about owning every gun. It's about owning the right guns and knowing how to use them. I can't tell you how many guys that I know that have a huge gun collection and they're not good at shooting any of them. What's the point?
If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help.
A solid concealed carry pistol, a capable shotgun, and a dependable rifle. With these 3 guns, you've got all of your bases covered. So what is your 3-gun setup? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you guys want to see my entire gun collection, then let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I'll make a video on it. If you want to see what I carry every day, then check out this video. If you gain value from this, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.